How to manage the Google Drive storage space effectively. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to manage your Google Drive storage space effectively, here are some solutions that you can try. It involves organizing your files, removing unnecessary items, and utilizing various tools to keep your storage within limits. First and foremost, you have to understand the storage location. For this, you can open and tap on storage or the cloud option and you will see how much of your storage is being used. Next option would be deleting unnecessary files. In order to do so, click on this option Clean Up Space. Once you tap on Clean Up Space, it should take you to another page from where you can find your large files which is taking the maximum space. For this, you can just tap Open or Review it and delete the unnecessary files. Additionally, you have to clear out the Gmail as well. Delete the unwanted emails with large attachments and much more. Additionally, some of the space is taken by your Google Photos as well. So you can go and delete the Google Photos or upload quality to storage server as well. So doing this, you can automatically manage the file access or the storage space in a proper way. Additionally, you should also organize your file in such a way that it can be structured and managed as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.